Hey, it's Aran here. In this tech tutorial, I'm going to show you how to leave private notes as part of Systeme.io as some sort of a CRM to manage clients, pipelines, and so on. So I am in Systeme.io, and this is a test email account. So you would hover over CRM and click on contacts, and then you will see this is a test email address. Basically, this is my email address. Now, if we were to go inside here, there is a couple of things you can do. First of all, you will notice that I actually have a thing here that's called notes. Now, the challenge with doing something like this where you add this is that you can only do this and leave one note, basically. So it's a bit clunky and it's only like a one-liner, basically. But you can do that. And the way you would do that is you simply would click add a new custom field. And let's say you would say coaching information or whatever. And then you're going to click on save. And then you will basically have an additional place for you to add information. Now, in my case, for example, I added Google Doc so that if somebody submits a business plan to me, I have the Google Doc saved right here as an example. If I want to save their website, I put it here, their Instagram handle. If I have a question like, how did you find us? I will leave this here. So this is more for like a one-time type information you may want to leave. This is what this is good for. And this particular thing is called substitute variable. I have another tutorial on my YouTube channel that explains this and also how to use it intelligently. So that's option number one for CRM. But there is even a better way, especially if you're managing a coaching client of some sort. And the way this would work is you would hover over CRM and click on pipelines. Now, before I do that, I'm just going to save this email address and I'm going to use it in a moment. So I'm going to hover over CRM. I'm going to click on pipelines. And then you're going to create a pipeline depending on how you work. So for example, let's just call this coaching pipeline. So you have new leads, initial contact, proposal, negotiation, deal won, deal lost, etc. Now, I'm going to change negotiation to fulfillment because you may want to actually be working with a client, basically, like this is when you're actually going to work with them. And then you're also, instead of deal lost, I'm going to say completed. So now what we're going to do is instead of proposal sent, we're just going to delete that. We're also going to delete deal won. And initial contact made, I will say booked call. So now I've got the pipeline, and this particular pipeline is a sequential process from people entering your pipeline as new leads to people who booked a call to those that are basically closed and are in the fulfillment stage where you actually to service them, and then those that actually finish your coaching program. Obviously, you can change this up. If you click on edit pipeline, you can actually add more, and you can also switch the sequence if you so choose. For the sake of demonstration, I'll keep this simple. And now what we're going to do, we're going to add new leads. Now, there's a couple of options. Number one, you can add an existing contact or you can create a new one. I'm going to click on add an existing contact. I'm going to click on next, and then I'm going to paste in the email address that I wanted to use. And this is a test email address. I'm going to click into it. And now you're going to see number one, like so. I'm going to click on save. And now here it is, test buyer. Now you can click into it. And now you're going to see the various information that is available about them. And also what you can do is you can actually click on open contact. So it will open in a new tab and you can see the contact form or the CRM of that particular contact. But also the other thing you can do is you can leave notes, and you can just simply click on notes and then you can put information. So for example, you're going to say the dates. So let's say 22 December 2025, did a discovery call and blah, 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 whatever the thing is. Now you're going to click on save, and now you will see the previous notes right here. You can also pin a note, and you can also edit a note as well. So I recommend, it doesn't actually show a specific date, so you need to manually type in the date, but that is how you would leave notes. And let's do another one. So let's say 1 Jan 2026, another coaching call, etc., etc. And then you can do another thing. So for example, let's say business plan or links information or whatever. So you can do, for example, a business plan link, recording session number 1, recording session number 2, recording session number 3, etc. And let's just say that you want to have all this as the most important information. You will basically pin that, so you always have at the top the most important information about that particular client if you so choose. What's cool about it also is as you are continuing to work with a person, let's say you did a consult with this particular person and they actually closed, you can actually move them over to fulfillment, and it will basically move them over that way. And you can also create various automations as part of your funnel. So when somebody books a call with you, they get added here automatically. When somebody subscribes to your email list, you can move them here automatically. When they make a purchase, you can move them here as well. So basically, you can automate. Yes, there's the option to manually move things around and click in and go to the notes and all of that, but you can also set up various automations inside your funnel to be able to automate this process for the pipeline. Just to give you an idea on the pipelines that I have in my business, when people use my affiliate link for Systeme.io, I have a pipeline for that. When people book one-on-one calls with me personally, I've got a pipeline for that. And when people are getting services in my agency, my VA agency, there's a pipeline for that as well. And this is something that you can basically create for your coaching business, your service business, etc., etc. When I do one-on-one client calls, I always record my sessions using Fathom. And Fathom is great because when the recording is done, I get a link. I can share the link with the client or it gets automatically sent to them. And also I can save that recording link straight in the notes of Systeme.io and mark that session is done, put the date, etc., etc. When there's a business plan, I usually use Google Docs. So I'm not uploading a PDF, it's a shareable link using Google Doc, and that goes in the notes as well. So there's different ways to really utilize the notes in a way which is intelligent to be able to keep track of your sales process, your fulfillment process, and have all of that there, both easily accessible for you and also shareable with your client. Now, this particular note system and the pipeline is all internal information. There is no way to give your client access to this stuff. So any client communication you will do on email with them. And if you wanted a platform where you can have a collaborative client information where they can leave notes, you can leave notes together, then you will need to use a different software. And personally, I love using a software called Kitchen for that. But that's totally different tutorial. I wanted to show you something simple on a CRM process inside Systeme.io and how you could use it to leave notes, manage clients, manage your pipeline and all that stuff. And again, this is internal type processes for you, not collaborative with clients. That's about it. Hope you got value from this tutorial. If you've got any additional questions, leave them below. This question came from one of my paying customers, and this is a great question. And if you want to learn more about my private community where I provide tech support and helpful advice like this, you can check it out by going to aran.link/my school. That's about it. Speak to you soon. Cheers.